Kelempung District Level Subroto Mukherjee Cup Football Tournament 8,000 arpusau bala penlong da ka office jong ka District Sport Officer West Khasi Hills District. Kala paino syaka bakut mentaka sengi arpusau tarik ujeliu 8,000 arpusau hakaba ka Kyrshai Government LP but UP School kala yo ban Khur ya ka nam job hakal yang kikin tei bahapo kan nyau senam ka Daboklang Memorial Secondary School Porla kala job hakal yang kishenrang ki bahapo ka khat san senam bat ke Sibsingh Government Memorial Higher Secondary School kala job hakal yang kishenrang ki bahapo khat nyau senam haka jinga kon final jong kikin tei ki bahapo khat nyau senam kabala long hapo madani nongstan ka Kyrshai Government LP but UP School kala yo ban Khur ya ka nam job hadian bakal la ban pendiam no eka Sibsingh Government Memorial Higher Secondary School da kalai ko la ar leng baga tiebreaker kata hadian balakut no kajinga kun banyak khat da marshikur haka under 15 education rang ka Daboklang Memorial Secondary School Porla kala pendiam eka St Anthony Secondary School Jaido da ka ar la not kat bahaka liang ki under 17 education rangpan ka Sibsingh Government Memorial Higher Secondary School kalala ban pendiam no ya ka Daboklang Secondary School Porla lengba ka tiebreaker kata hadian ka jinga khun ba maria khat klem dan ba yo thap kor hakate ka sngi ka District School Education Officer West Khasi Hills District ka Ela Bengum Laskar kralong kum ka kongsan ban penha perdaya ketika lempung harengkat ka jinga dan lang District Sport Officer ka West Khasi Hills kong balarinas UCM ke Himano Ston pa EPCM ba BS Karlor President ke NDSA kinong penyat ki khana school kinong hikai bat kiwe
in the Warren Jesse, it's Sibsingh Memorial Government High Secondary School. Daboklang Secondary School from Pola for being the winners at the under 15 for the winning team of the under 17 girls category. Congratulations team, congratulations.
Win or lose today, you have already proved yourself to be champions by participating in this tournament. Play with passion, respect of opponents, and most importantly, enjoy the game. This should be the motto of every sports person. In conclusions, I congratulate the winner teams, Sibsingh Memorial Government Higher Secondary School, for playing a fantastic game. But I will say that even Daboklang Secondary School, Paula, did their best. Your 16 minutes showed that you were strong enough to defend yourself. A tiebreaker is luck. Okay? It is luck which helps one team to win.